There are more than 2000 meditation apps in the market, and even though the space is so crowded, only two of them, Headspace and Calm, dominates the market, holding more than 70% market share. And out of these two, Calm is the number one market leader. Even though Calm started way later, almost 2 years later than Headspace, Calm has more than 4 million paid subscribers and it has greater than $200 million of annual revenue. So how did Calm dominate Headspace? Let's find that out. Okay, before starting the story of Calm, wanted to share the story of the founder, Alex Tew. In 2005, he started this website called the Million Dollar Homepage. He became a millionaire by selling out advertisement pixels on this website. As you can see, he divided this entire website into pixels, and for every single pixel, he lent the space out for $1. So there are 1 million pixels, and by selling these pixels, he became a millionaire. Now, after this, what he did was he made another website called donothingfor2minutes.com, which was before Calm. Before starting Calm, this was the website that he started, and essentially what he did was he urged people to do nothing for 2 minutes, and this was how Calm started. So as you can see, I failed because I started doing something for in 2 minutes, right? So if I press on refresh and do nothing, you will see the timer ticking down. That's the idea. The idea is to not do anything for 2 minutes and to help you relax, to help you calm down. So this became a huge success. Again, people started sharing it, and there was one leads email list where you could enter your email and you could get relaxation. You could get things to relax yourself. So for example, videos, clips, music, and all of that. And people started giving their email address. So that's how Alex knew that there's a huge market for this. And he wasn't wrong. If you go on Google Trends, you'll be able to see that the market for sleep is actually much, much bigger than meditation. So Google Trends shows that the sleep market is way bigger than meditation. And that is why, Calm dominates Headspace, because the market for Calm is actually huge. Whereas the market for meditation is actually much lesser. The number of people who search for sleep aids and sleep is much, much more than the people who search for meditation. That is why people search for the Calm app much more than the Headspace app, because Calm positions itself as a sleep aid, whereas Headspace positions itself as a meditation app. So that is one key positioning difference. So Facebook and Instagram is one of the biggest acquisition channels with over 700 Facebook ads currently running. And the strategy is partnering with these celebrities, and they use the photographs and the sleep stories with these celebrities. And so when they see these celebrities on Facebook feed, what they usually do is they click on it, right? And then when they click on it, they get to hear their voice. It's a very soothing voice. So they use that voice to capture attention, and then people would, they go and check out the app, they install the app and see what the entire sleep story is about. And because they are already familiar with these faces, it's much easy for them to trust and give the app a try. Okay, so one of the most important selling points that Calm has is their sleep stories. And essentially how it works is that they partner with these celebrities like Shawn Mendes, Henry, Eduardo, right, Cynthia. You can see these are all featured sleep stories, right? So they partner with these celebrities and they narrate their own sleep stories in their own voice, which has become hugely popular. You can see Harry Styles, Eric, Matthew, and all these other very, very popular famous people narrating their own sleep sounds, sleep stories in their own voice. And all these most popular people around the world, them narrating their own sleep stories in their own voice is a huge selling point. You would also find people actually searching for them on Google. So for example, if you go, you would see people typing Eva Green and then followed by their sleep story. And if I type Calm sleep story, see Calm sleep story Harry Styles, Calm sleep story Matthew. So all these are famous people, and this is why people associate this particular app, Calm app, with these celebrities. And when they search for these particular people who are already very popular, they eventually get on board to Calm and sign up there and become a paid subscriber. So that's their strategy. It's a huge selling point. It works really well for them. So the other thing is virality. So whenever people complete a session on Calm app, there's a daily quote. There's a quote that they see on the screen. So for example, this one: the two most powerful warriors are patience and time. So they encourage you to share that app, so you can share it on your social media network, which will help more people to discover the Calm app in return. So this is a great way to make your app viral. I also wanted to quickly share with you the creative punchline that they use. So they call themselves the most relaxing app in the world. As you can see, like, they promoted this particular creative on Facebook very heavily. It has 1.8 million reactions, and so many views, I think 5.1 million views. And as you can see, like they're using testimonials of people who share how they were able to sleep using this app. They have also done quite a bit of PR. They have been best of 2018 award winner by Apple. They have also been 2017 App of the Year by Apple, and they have won the Happiest App in the World award by Center for Human Technology. So all these are actually PR events and publications published by other credible and authoritative websites and organizations. And what these do is that it adds to your credibility. So when someone like Apple publishes best of the year award for an app, it boosts a lot of publicity and eyeballs towards that app. So they have received that award for 2017 as well as 2018. They have also done PR to showcase themselves as the happiest app in the world. So this is quite a bit of PR on their front. And now they have also gone mainstream. So A World of Calm is a particular TV series released by the creators of Calm as well as in partnership with HBO Max. This particular series is available on HBO Max. There's a trailer available over here. We can just see that the trailer.
An epic voyage calls to us.
So they're inviting you in their journey.
Come with me. Let's explore a wondrous world.
Can you see they're also promoting the sleep stories over here? These are the famous people who have done the sleep stories with Calm. So I can see Priyanka Chopra is also there, and all these other famous people, right? And of course, they do have their own organic channels. So for example, Calm YouTube has over 700,000 subscribers. They have TikTok, they have their Facebook page, their Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and also Facebook groups. So their official community has 88,000 members. It's called Daily Calm Community. They also have unofficial groups as well. Okay, so they also have something called the Calm Daily. Essentially, this is similar to sleep stories, but this is not like a single sleep story. This is some bite-sized sessions with a celebrity. So like Jay Shetty does it with small bite-sized sessions which you can do every day, and this also became very popular. And finally, the brilliant marketing campaign that they did during the 2020 US elections was when it was Biden versus Trump, and everyone was super pumped. They were very anxious of figuring out who would win the elections, and they actually did something called Brought to You by sponsorship for CNN, and they partnered with CNN to do this the same thing that I showed you. Remember, do nothing for 30 seconds, do nothing for 2 minutes. This is what they did during the US elections with CNN, and it became really popular. As you can see, people started tweeting. There was huge, even the Reddit co-founder tweeted, this guy Alexis, right? He said people started lolling, people started laughing off, and so many shares, so many replies went on to this particular campaign. This campaign actually was a huge hit, and right after this campaign, the Calm app downloads also saw a huge hit. So this was one of their biggest and greatest ad campaigns. So yeah, this is pretty much it. If you enjoyed listening to this case study, consider dropping your comments and like and subscribe the video, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.